Hello, my name is Jess Nevins. I'm a librarian here at Lone Star Tomball, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use citations from databases. So, you have to cite everything that you use in a paper. You have to cite quotations, you have to cite ideas, all that. And in the previous videos about citation, I've shown you how to do it by hand, so to speak. But most databases that you get articles from these days provide the citation for you. So for example, we go to the libraries page by clicking on the libraries link in the upper center there. And then we click on Find Articles. And we'll take art, music, and theater, for example. So we click on Articles, and we'll go to Gale One File Fine Arts. And I'm choosing this more or less at random. So we'll just search for, do a search for artist. And we'll choose this article, and then in the upper right it says cite. This is how you get the citation from this database. Most databases will say something like cite or citation or get citation, something like that. So I click on the parentheses for cite, and what I get here is the MLA citation. I also get the APA citation. And you'll note that because there's no author for this, it starts with the magazine article, and then it gives you all the basic information: name of the journal, volume number, issue number, date, month, day, year, and the pages, the name of the database you got it from, and then the URL to the article. Now, most articles have DOIs, or digital object identifiers. If an article has a DOI, you need to include that in your works cited page. If an article does not have, online article does not have a DOI, then you need to provide the permanent link to that page, which is provided here in the citation. And finally, access the day that you've accessed it. To use this so you've got your citation. To put it in your paper, you just copy over it, highlight it, and then hit Control-C to copy, or click Select, and then right-click and copy, go into Word, and right-click, come on, and then we paste it. Now you'll want to format this, because what the formatting here is not what is acceptable on in a paper's works cited or references page. So what you do is make this 12 point by clicking on this icon here, or going here and clicking on 12, clicking on Times New Roman, and then we're going to see how the second line is indented and the third line is indented. The way you do that in Word is by going to the end of the first line, hitting return, and then clicking on increase indent right here. And because the citations need to be double spaced in MLA and APA, I highlight my citation, I go to this icon here, click on it, and then choose double spaced. And it's all, your citation is ready to go, and you don't need to worry about doing it however you're required to. Most databases these days provide citations of articles for you. JSTOR, for example, JSTOR is one of our major databases. It has millions of articles on a wide range of subjects. If I just type in a subject to search for, and it gives me a basic article, so if I wanted to use this article, I could get the citation from here, or I can go into the article and then get the citation from here. And I just copy that and then paste it into my Works Cited page. Or if you're using any of these programs, you can click on this to export the citation to that reference program. And that's pretty much it. It's most databases, as I've said, provide the citations for you these days. If you have any questions about finding a database citation, and not every database provides a citation, most do, but some don't. If you have questions, go to the library homepage and click on this icon right here. Enter your last name, or enter your name, your email address, and then whatever question you have in here, and you can chat with librarians online the same way you would in person. And that's how you do that. Thank you for watching.